have you ever lost an important file on your phone and felt your soul leaves your body for a second? Yeah, we all have been there. 1 minute everything is fine and the next, poof. Your photos, videos or documents decides to disappear because of a wrong tap, no backup, a routing experiment gone wrong, or even a moody memory card. But here is the surprising part. When you delete a file on Android, it's not actually gone. Your phone just marks that space as free, like putting a sticker note that says new files welcome. But the original data is still hiding there until something else overwrites it, which means you actually have a rescue window before the file says goodbye forever. And that's exactly where Choose UltData photo and data recovery steps in. It helps you bring back deleted photos, videos, WhatsApp messages and much more without the headache. So let's quickly jump in and see how this super handy tool can save your day when things go wrong. Now, one thing I really like about this tool, and trust me, it's a big deal, is that it doesn't make you root your device. Most recovery app acts like you need to perform some kind of tech magic just to get your data back. But here, no, you don't have to do anything. You can recover deleted photos, videos, and even WhatsApp messages straight from your phone. No rooting nightmare involved. It simply scans your device deeply and pulls out whatever can still be saved. And it gets even better. The app can also recover all kind of WhatsApp files, stickers, videos, photos, voice messages, documents, basically anything you thought was gone forever. If you use these apps for work or personal chats, this is a lifesaver because it helps you keep important conversation and files intact. But for this video, we are keeping things simple and focusing on its main highlight, that is recovering lost file. Alright, so let's quickly jump into how the recovery process actually works. Now first thing first, you will need to download and install the Choose UltData app from the Play Store. I have already added the link in the description down below so you can grab it easily. When you open the app, you will notice the home screen looks clean, simple and super easy to navigate. Everything is organized in a neat card style layout, so you instantly know where to tap. Now there are two main sections: device data recovery, which lets you recover deleted photos, videos, audio files, documents and contacts from an unrooted device, and social app recovery, which helps you bring back chat from apps like WhatsApp, SMS, and even offer a dedicated tool just for WhatsApp data. Now before you move ahead, there is one important step. You will need to grant the app full access to manage all files. Now this permission is necessary so that it can properly scan for deleted items. After that, just select the type of files you want to recover and start the scan. Now the cool part is that recoverable files start showing up while the scan is still running, and you don't have to wait forever. Everything appears in a clean list with simple navigation, and you can even preview photos before restoring them. And once the scan is done, you can simply pick the file you want and tap recover. That's it. Your lost data is back just like that. Now just a quick heads up, before you hit the recover button, Choose UltData does require a license to restore your files. You can go for the 1-month plan, which comes to about $2.50 per week, or choose the weekly plan at $4.99 if you only need it for one short time. And honestly, when you think about it, data loss can feel like a mini heart attack, especially when it's something important you absolutely can't afford to lose. But the good news is, you don't have to panic. This tool is designed to bring back your photos, videos, messages and other files quickly and safely. No matter what Android device you are using or how the data got deleted, Choose UltData gives you a solid, reliable way to get everything back. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found it useful, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.